Alrighty, today we're going to be doing a little bit of work on the Ford. Got to change the antenna. Going to put a seat cover on so we don't got to deal with that anymore. Start it off, we'll get a little cold start action. Take to the car wash. Might even take the tack off being it don't work anymore. Need a new one. Couple more pumps. Alright. Well, this is kind of a common problem with the old Ford lately, and it has to do with the choke not working great. Alright, I got that kind of adjusted now. Let's see if she'll go. There she goes. So if you've watched my previous videos, you know this truck was a 3 on the tree, and due to all that crap with the shifter, it would fall out all the time, so it is now a 4-speed truck with granny gear. That's out of a 1970 Ford F-250. So yesterday we got the seat cover put on, about 80% on. Still got to put those ropes there along the bottom. Now we're about midway through the antenna installation. Got the radio pulled out and have it unhooked from there, and I'm now working on getting this one out. Alrighty, so she didn't necessarily come out easy. She wanted to fight me, so I cut her. Little trick on these, on pretty much any antenna. Get out your knife. And you cut this end off here. Okay, hold on. Alright, the end's cut off there. Then you come get your new antenna. Throw it up on the hood and hope it don't fall off, which it will if it's snowy like this. How I would recommend working on your shit in the daytime in the summer, not getting dark in the winter. But anyway, you tape that on there like that, and then you can pull it through and you don't got to try to fish it through those holes. So I'll get back to you when I'm doing that. Alright, so we got our taped piece ran through. And up here we have a dangling antenna. So what I'll do is I'll feed that the rest of the way through and get the antenna in there. You put it down through the hole like that, and these little guys turn and prevent it from coming back up through the hole. Then you just slide all that down and screw it down, and it's good to go. Alrighty, I got it all untaped. There's the other piece. All that's left to do now is plug it into the radio and stuff it back in there. And there's some clips that clip it up under the dash, but yeah, that'll be it. Alright, so we finally got everything done. We got the seat cover on, the antenna's on. Took the tack off because that don't work. Next order of business, I think, is going to be, you can't really see it, replace the vice grip windshield wiper switch. Find a new one of those, stick that on there so it looks right. Maybe get a new back window being so you can see through that one. But yeah, a little more progress on her.